Okay. So I am giving you, my dears, 1-2 minute, you just only 2 minute or 1 minute only, you just also think something, because thinking is very important. Okay. So today is my homework. There are some guideline. Every student have to make some question. So today your works started. One student have to make one good questions and you have to post it on the Mathshrine page. Every one student, we will think and we will together and we will answer it, and that is the very important. So the first name is goes to the, today I will see who is the top one. So Abhishek, but Abhishek I think no, then Ajit. Ajit, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So this is my humble request. Today you have to write one question and post it on the Mathshrine Facebook, right? Whatever question you will make, you can bring from God or your teacher or whatever. We will work it and we will give some answer. Why? See, if I answer you, it will be one mind answer. If all we can answer together, everyone have to do. Today you have to do till tomorrow, and then after that next student will do. Okay. So Ajit, please you have to post based on this only. Okay. It will be very good if you can post your original question. Ajit, is it fine for you? Ajit, is it fine for you? Okay, thank you, thank you. And you can ask me, you can call me also if you have any problem, then we will help you also. Okay. Okay, okay. Thank you. Any doubt, Ajit ji, here? I hope no, right? Okay, thank you. So somebody asked one question, let us look at it. Somebody asked one question, find the radius of convergence of 1 upon z minus 2 into z minus 3. There are some ways, there are so many ways to calculate it, but very simple. Okay, so yeah, there are many questions people are asking. Definitely we will look at. So 1 upon z minus 2 z minus 3. First, see, this is a function, this is analytic, it means it is solid. Hey, nice, it means it is solid. Now we can find out where the function have some problem, or where this solid have the cavity. Hey, the cavity at z is equal to 2, the cavity at z is equal to 3, that is fine. But we want to extend this solid. So my question is, from where you want to extend? Tell me the point. Anybody? Tell me a base point from where. From that point we will start stretching it. Tell me point from which point you want to extend. So there are many people, many question are asking. Some people are telling 15, some telling 4, somebody telling 10, right? Many more. Somebody telling 0. Okay, I think this is much sufficient. Okay, so now wait. Somebody telling 2, sir, take 2 also. Okay, let's see. So these are the points. We are going to write the radius of convergence here. (15, 4, 10, 0, 2). Okay, let's start. If you notice, if I start from 0 and keep on stretching this solid, then definitely the first problem will occur at 2. Then the distance from 0 to 2, that is the problem. So the radius of convergence will come out 2 only. Right? From 2 we cannot stretch it. We cannot stretch. I told you the first thing, the function should be solid. but this function is not solid exactly at 2. So, here you can't do, right. If you are starting from 10, right. So, if you start from 10, then definitely from 10 the first problem will occur at 3, then the answer will be 7. If you start from 4, then answer will be 1, because after 4, sorry, before 4 3 will come. If you start from 15, then definitely 3 will come, right. So, how much this will be, tell me? 12, right. 1 point also you can write -2, then the answer will be 4. Once you start stretching from -2, then the first problem will come at 2. So, once you reach the 2 stopped. Okay. So, thank you. So, this is the power series, and we believe that we are able to write the power series of any analytic function. Okay. Thank you. And let me tell you something, from beginning we have already mentioned that this is the cooperation, huge cooperation from the NGOs. So, if somebody absent the next class, he will not get the ID. It's happened that today more than 40 students didn't get login ID. So, I request you, if you are thinking, if really that this is the good for you, then be with us in regular mode. One day absent, you will not get the ID. It's happened today. I was also not aware, and I cannot do anything. Okay. So, Jatin. Singularity. Recording going on? Oh, thank you. So, what is the singularity? So, I am doing some, I am testing that recording is possible or not. Let us see. If some problems happen, please let me know. Okay. Ardra, audio and video are fine?
Yes, fine.
Just be with it and wait 5 minutes also, maybe it will fluctuate again.
Yes.
Okay, if something happen, please let me know. Okay, so let us start. What is the singularity? The example is
Breaking up.
again. Oh, problem is there.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So let us remove this. Now I think fine, Ardra.
Yes, fine.
Okay. So what is the singularity? We mentioned already. The example is take very simple way. If we have a solid, then okay, leave it. Suppose I have a teeth, anyway I have sufficient teeth, right, and we have some cavity also. So then definitely I will visit to a doctor, and according to the problems he will suggest something, right. So in the complex analysis, here the analyticity means solid,